Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Each arc welder in this video will offer different options, so it comes down to the size or type that meets your needs or pocket best. Our specialist team analysed a wide range and made recommendations based on different factors, including product features, independent research and customer reviews. Check out the description below for product links, info and the latest prices. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more guides to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. So let's get started. Arc is one of the most common forms of welding as it's capable of grittier, heavy-duty jobs such as welding through paint, coatings or rust. They are a valuable resource for making a durable and robust metal bond in the workshop or out on site. This video has a range of different machines for use by professionals or novices and detail high security features that will protect materials from damage and you yourself from harm, so you can find the right one for you. The arc welder coming in at number 5 is the Zeni arc welding machine. This welder is mini in size, being compact, lightweight and portable, but it is big in power and can switch from AC to DC, running in 120 or 230 volts with 60 Hz output. It has 3 levels of protection and a high-speed fan designed to increase the air volume and dissipate heat, plus the IGBT inverter has up to 85% efficiency, saving you power. The Zeni arc welding machine has a welding thickness of 1 to 50 mm and it provides an ampage control with an LED meter. It's perfect for automatic maintenance, sheet metal processing and much more. Number 4 on our list is the Amico Arc 160D welder. This professional stick arc is an industrial design with advanced IGBT inverter technology, and the welding power achieves a superior concentrated stable arc to easily weld thin stainless steel and other metals. It has an automatic selection feature so you can effectively and quickly switch between voltages, input power, and the adjustable arc setting means you can simply and quickly get each job done. The Amico Arc 160D welder includes very powerful functions such as hot start, anti-stick, thrust adjustments, current intensity control and overload protection. All of these functions and components make it a reliable work tool for professionals. The arc welder coming in at number 3 is the Smider arc welder. This mini welder has a high design quality, making it compact, light and portable to use 110 or 220 volts, and a DC inverter means an efficient welding process, plus it's easy to operate by a novice. It's suitable for 3.2 mm or below welding rods, applicable for multiple ferrous metals such as iron, alloy and carbon steel, and there is less splash with a smooth joint. The Smider arc welder is controlled by IGBT that ensures an exact current in an overheat situation. For example, a flashing reminder light means cut the power and protect yourself. Number 2 is the Yeswelder Arc 205DS welder. This welder has automatic temperature and voltage fluctuation controls. With overload and current protection, it has an automatic hot start for an easy, quick start to any welding job. It has IGBT, soft switch technology and auto-adaptive arc force for stability. Plus, it is powerful with up to 205 amps, so less splatter or post-weld cleanup. Plus, weighing under 10 pounds, it is compact and perfect to take wherever you need. The Yeswelder Arc 250DS welder is dual voltage, connecting at 120 or 240 volts. It is ideal for most 6010, 6011, 6013 and 7018 rods. It gives flawless results on a wide range of electrodes such as cast iron, steel and metal sheets. Finally, coming in at number 1, the arc welder we recommend is the Deco Pro arc welder. This 110-120 MMA arc welder will enable you to produce a precise professional finish when used on mild or weld on stainless steel and aluminium. Plus, it is multifunctional from welding on your car bodywork to working on site. It is a sturdy, compact design that has structural strength and durability, so it's easy to store or convenient to move around, and a high efficiency fan provides an instant cooling function. The Deco Pro arc welder has a stable current that is efficient, energy saving and safe. Plus, the welding voltage can be adjusted to exactly match the welding current. It uses powerful IGBT inverter technology. The extra we recommend this week is the Yeswelder True Color welding helmet. This lightweight and comfortable welding helmet has optical clarity with true color technology, giving a real color, not the traditional lime green, for improved visibility and reduced eye strain. Plus, a viewing panel measuring 3.64 by 1.67 inches for better optical full clarity. Thank you for watching. Please give us a like and drop any helpful welding tips in the comment section below. For more info or to buy the best one for you, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep in touch and stay updated with hundreds of tools.